Howdy, everybody. Welcome back to KU News Extra. I'm still Jason Salas. And the Lions Club of Guam is an organization that is dedicated to community service. It's about proud Guamanians making sure that the rest of us have a wonderful island that we can be proud of, that's safe, that's healthy. And that is the major concern we're talking with today, because to take care of others, we have to take care of ourselves. So our friends at the Lions Club are having a health fair, and I have three wonderful, lovely local ladies on the KUM couch here. We have Lions, and they have brought those wonderful vests, which come off so good in the lights here in the Harmon Studios. Of course, Michelle Hope Taitano. Howdy, Michelle.
Howdy.
Way over there. You seem like you're in Tamuning.
But I'm here.
Okay, and of course we have Feli Angel, the current president of the Lions.
The governor.
Oh, governor.
District governor.
Madam Governor, that's
Yes.
right. And
Hi.
and
Hi,
then
Jason.
the incoming new leader-to-be. Very nice
Yes.
to finally have you here. Sumi Kuba.
Yes.
Hafade, thank you for being
こんにちは。よろしくお願いします。
Dozo. Thank you very much. So, I'm curious about the health fair because so many go on. Each one has its own theme. You know, each one is distinct. Michelle, let's start with you. Like, how is this health fair structured, and what are you focusing on?
So it's an annual health fair for the District 204. And this year our theme is Healthy Body, Healthy Mind. And we like to talk about health preventive things. And this year we have a couple of new things that we're doing, in addition to all the other traditional services that Lions, as the clubs, and then our partners. We have partners, Department of Public Health and Social Services, Mountain Pacific, of course the Doctor's Clinic, a lot of partners, and Micronesian brokers, just to name a few. And we all bring about our information and current information. We really try to bring it current. We have the shots will be given this year. The shots, flu vaccines, will be given to adults and children. And then we also have MMR, that's measles, mumps, and rubella. And those will be available for both adults and children as well. So Department of Public Health and Social Services will be administering that. And so that's generally, that's what we provide that service. That's a staple of our health fair. But then this year we're also going to be talking about preventive, especially preventive self-care management with diabetes. So while we're having the health fair at the center court, we have a room, thank you, Micronesia Mall. They allowed us to have a room down about 4 doors down from us, and we're going to be running ongoing workshops about self-care, chronic health, health care, as well as diabetes health care.
Very nice.
Yes, and also this year in that same room we're having the children's hearing. This is the first time Cedars, the early
Interesting.
intervention.
Yeah, I've never seen one of those at a public
Right.
wellness fair. Very nice.
Yeah, so yeah, they were able to do it, and we got the room, and so we're gonna have that available for the kids 0 to 6. That's specifically for that, for them. So we're having that there, and this year too, we're also gonna talk about the Lions District / Tanota Lions Club, where we've gotten a grant together, and we are having a mobile health screening van vehicle, and we're procuring that. We're in the process of that, and so we'd like to introduce that as well to our health fair participants, and of course whoever walks in, come on and shop at the Micronesia Mall.
I was going to say, Philly, because this is at the mall, that's a perfect venue to have it. Because
we've been having it at the mall.
Because the target audience is so broad. You're dealing with like young children, as you said, probably people up into the age of the manumko or elderly, and all points in between.
Yes.
So how many volunteers do you have from the various Lions clubs coming out? Because many hands make light work, certainly.
Well, a lot of the Lions clubs that we have in the district, particularly Region 1, will be there to help in administering some of these services that these public as well as private agencies or entities had volunteered to do in this health fair 2020.
Very nice.
So we are very appreciative of such a benevolent gesture that they are affording us.
That's the perfect word, because Sumi, I'm sure, as the incoming leader of the Lions, a lot of people are going to be inspired by this, people that are participants, or they come there, because they want their child's hearing tested, or they just want general screening, and they go there and they're like, wow, you guys are so upbeat, you're so positive. I'm really inspired by what you do. I would like to be part of that. So can
Yes.
people inquire and possibly join one of the clubs?
Yes, that would be
Absolutely.
great. Yes.
Yeah, and how can they do so? And how many members do the clubs have right now?
We have 700.
721.
plus.
Yes,
Wow.
721.
Yes.
Yes.
How many clubs throughout the island is that?
We have 24 clubs right now.
Okay.
Oh, on the island, 17.
How do I know what club best fits me? Is it is it a village thing, a regional thing?
It could be village thing. We have the title like Agat Guamelica, but we
Yes.
don't really live in Agat anymore. And Tamuning Star.
Tamuning Star.
So, but also each club has particular service that they are focusing on. So some of them are focusing on diabetics, some of them are cancer.
Cancer awareness.
Yes,
Yes,
awareness,
so
right.
there are different clubs that are focusing on different, and we are growing, and we are interested to have more members to come in,
right.
and then make new club or branch club or specialty club.
Specialty club.
So even if a bunch of people they go there and they're like, that sounds like something that my
Right.
friends and I would love
Yes,
to do.
exactly.
Yeah.
You know, we all grew up together. We
Right.
have
Yes.
a passion for community service.
Right.
Right.
Please just get us started with the framework on how we can
Right.
help.
Let us know how, and
Actually,
we will help.
Jason, we're forming 4 specialty clubs. We're having a group of bankers, group of educators, a group of entrepreneurs, doctors and nurses, and we have one that is made up of relatives. They're
Okay.
they all relate to each other.
Well, I'll let you
Yeah,
in on a
by
little secret, ladies.
blood.
We're probably going to have like a 5th group that's going to be started. Guam broadcasters are going to start.
Oh,
their
yeah.
I'm going to call some of my friends at the other places.
Okay,
at the
yeah, we'll
communications
be in
majors.
touch with you.
Yeah. Okay. So can we get the time and the day once more, please?
Yes,
For people?
it will be this Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
So February 1st, Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
All right. Well, Madam Secretary, Madam Governor, and
And-
Madam Governor, thank you so much for your time. Hajimemashite.
Hi. It's not hajimemashite. It's the first time I meet you.
Oh, okay. Well, a pleasure nonetheless. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank all of you for
Nice
listening.
to do this, Masi.
All right, Mrs. Masi, very much.
And I would like to take this opportunity also, Jason, if you may, to thank all the volunteers, as I told you a while ago, both from the public and private sectors, because they were there. They will be there, and they have been there actually through all these years.
Because once a lion, always a lion.
right.
The work never ends.
Yes,
All right.
and all the the Lions clubs, and particularly the district officers,
Okay.
because they've been working so diligently on this to make it happen.
And that is the perfect point to end on because we got to go to commercial break. But
National
Right.
Office Supply, Milieu. Thank
okay.
you so much.
Thank you so much. And thank you. We'll be right after this.